Hey guys, it's Monique from Tuff Streeters. Come and check out your new weekend warrior. This 1975 LH Torana G-Pak is up for grabs and is the perfect Tuff cruiser. Painted in jasmine yellow and sitting on a set of 15-inch auto drag centerlines. Under the bonnet, we have a naturally aspirated Holden 308 with an 850 Holly carby and a solid flat tappet camshaft, making about 400 horsepower. It is backed by a turbo 350 with a 4200 stall converter, 9-inch diff and wheelwood brakes. The interior has been revamped with SLR trim, autometer gauges, B&M ratchet shifter and a half cage. Capped at 2,500 entrants, this draw is only running for 7 short days. Members, don't worry because you are already in this draw. Get your entries in now and we can't wait to be calling our lucky winner soon.